we doing, Chris?
We're going racing.
With who?
Me.
And the Sentra?
Maybe, yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah, I'd actually race that guy.
Ray, you would, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
What do you got here?
Oh.
What kind of car is this?
Good one.
Oh. It's a Chevy, though.
Yeah? I'm in the wrong car.
Yeah, I think you are. What do we got? How many miles are on it?
I don't even... 266.44.
All of the miles.
Is that a lot?
It's all of them.
That's all of them?
Yeah.
But I'm gonna put more on.
When you go over there, right?
Yeah.
Well, it's a race.
Yeah.
He's got him down low. Low. Starting the Pontiac right on victory lane. Ring, ring, liar spin. The inside line much better in terms of that speed onto the corner, but gives some chance to that gray machine.
Down the backstretch he goes for one final time. The gray machine's starting to catch up to him. Here he comes. Whoop to the high side. Holy moly!
He backs up.
Oh, he almost gets him.